welcome. My name is Heidi and I am a Norwegian ex-teacher who is now making sewing videos on YouTube. I'm really interested in all kinds of nerdy stuff. If I can combine my interest for sewing with my interest for books and video games and movies and so on, I really like to be able to do that. I hope this channel can eventually be a community where we can inspire each other to do exciting projects, to improve technical abilities in sewing and so on. So I would really like you guys' input on stuff that I do, either in terms of suggestions or in terms of feedback and so on. So if you at some point think like, I think there are better ways to do that, I would really like to know, so please let me know. On this channel, I'll mainly be challenging myself to sew different things and taking you guys along with me. If you want to be a part of this community, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and that also really helps this channel. And I hope to see you guys in future videos, and again, welcome to this community and welcome to my channel.